Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your online statement from PNC Bank. Open the website pnc.com, then click Sign On. On the drop-down window, sign in with your user ID and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account list. Under Account List is an option for Virtual Wallet. Click on your virtual wallet. On this page, you will see an option for View All Activity. Click on View All Activity. Now, you will see the list of available account statements. Click on the particular statement you wish to get. Lastly, click the date of the statement. Then it will be automatically downloaded, and you will be able to view the selected statement. That's how you get your online statement from PNC Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.